Yeah, it's probably got me outside, man.
Little two, man.
On the 2v2, man. 2v2 basketball.
You downstairs.
2v2 basketball game, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That boy got me in the 2v2 basketball game.
Point guard.
I don't know.
Shooting guard.
Then we should vlog us playing the game so they can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
we're gonna see how the vibe is. Late night. What time it is? It's like 3, 4 in the morning.
only one thing go down at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, it's like 3 in the morning right now. Damn, it's cold. That's a what jacket, bro? What is that's just what? That's just from the hood. I ain't really used to it. I've been used to this shit, you feel me? One thing about it. So I've been used to like this type of.
Almost got bread to be staying in some shit like this.
Look at this downstairs. Nah.
Just want to drink.
Look, gold elevators.
It's a vibe, dude. It's that Scarface.
Face to have. Look how this nigga walking. Show him how you walking at first. He going like this. Look, he looking like he's scared. Nah, boy, you supposed to walk like, yeah. Just let it out. Bro, I kind of not far for you here. Okay. That nigga said that one night. What the fuck? Yeah, you a real Chico, dog. Real Hispanic. Real light skin, bro. That boy said, let my nuts in. Ah, real deal, man. Oh, I see ya. Face ass. Got your ass, man. Ain't no play. Nah, but I'm tripping right now. Ain't no play shit. We tripping. Nah, no play shit. No more play shit. Straight serious mode, you feel me? Referee?
You quit.
Oh, I thought he was. Hey, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. If I don't get back with y'all, then...
That's because we busy.
Because we busy, man. You know what I'm saying? Mission complete. If I do get back with y'all...
It's going on Patreon?
Nah, just going on YouTube. It depends. What we doing like that? Might go on Patreon.
I'm about to make my first Patreon video.
Tonight? Okay. Stay tuned.
You brought the gum?
Huh?
You brought the gum?
Why, you need it?
You need it.
Some shit. Shut up, nigga. I got gum on my... Hey, where the game at? Keep it playing, man. We gotta record us playing that, matter of fact. Keep it playing, man.
Fuck, bro.
I'm about to play the card.
Waiting, bro. I ain't with that, bro. Who that is, bro? Oh my God.
So
Through the window.
I just farted right now.
Through the window. Through the window.
Damn, she thick as shit. Bitch. Oh, man. Let's set up pool. Like straight bleach, y'all. Crazy. Huh? What the fuck? I thought I almost fell with these things. Oh, shit. Oh, they going in the hot tub. All right, ready? Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Nah, hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you last. She last.
So what you gotta do?
She gotta take a shot.
No, I'm not
You last. I can show you on the video.
Yeah.
Go ahead, bro. You about to stop.
Yep. All right. I'ma run up $1 million. I swear on my mama, I have 7 figures for 22. Niggas talking about jacking my swag, it's a rally burrito. He ain't taking shit from me too. Play with me like Shikari. If you want the smoke, with the difference is I'll have you running too. Girl, I'm hotter than lava like Julie. I stay with that green and that sticky like honeydew. Posted up like a poster, rap better than all these niggas, but I swear they won't admit the shit. Now I'm still lighting up some of you niggas. It's bitches minus all the real, so the difference is I don't really give a fuck about niggas. Regardless, they stay on my nuts like a chickle stick. I don't know what your fee sees, what I seen you, but I can tell you and with the shits. I got my nigga, he's shooting on camera. Speak on my name, turn that boy to a dancer. I don't give a fuck, but I'm shitting on niggas, I'm shitting like Pampers. Hop on the beat and go sit like cancer. Dasher, dancer, prancer, vixen, fly like a reindeer. Speak on my name, you get slain here. I'm on my young boy, Florida made. Speak on my name, and this shot gon' spray. I'm gonna fuck at your bitch all on her knees like that bitch about to pray. State of mind, she's gonna face my shit. Yeah, state of mind, pull on my dick and she facing mine. Hold on, look, hey, I'm on your head like Bass Pro. I get money, I stacked up, hey. You niggas know that I'm always talking shit, so I guess I'm an asshole, hey.
yourself out. Shout yourself out.
Bro, my name is official.luwa, bro. OFFICINL.LUWOP. I need another one.
From Ohio?
I gotta get a flick with, bro. Hold on, let me get a flick with Florida man, bro. Hey, this nigga funny as shit, bro.
Hey, Joe, hold it right there.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir, gang.
Shit, man.
Good looking for the video, too, my boy.
We outside, man, from Ohio, man.
Yeah,
For sure.
Hey, yo, who want another one, though? Which one want another one? Was that you? Yeah, I said another one. Don't be a word, bro. Go ahead. I give you a challenge one. CBS. CBS? CBS. I want to hear that shit easy. Yeah, hold on. Little shit too easy. I appreciate that, buddy. Hey,
BBS.
Listen, man, you know how I said the jet skis? Listen, man, we're gonna have 20 females at the.
It's rolling loud weekend, so you know
Nah,
me.
I told you.
It's rolling loud weekend, so you know what I'm saying?
Flo might not be able to do this on the daily. I know he gonna cut this out, but you know what I'm saying?
I'm leaving it, man. Nigga, are you done? He loves saying I'm gonna cut it out. It's damn, nigga. Now how you feel? Slide. Choco, we about to put them on the method.
Come on, now you know how we do it.
Man, we go from the back. You know what I'm saying? What the water at?
When you normal, you go to the front. When you got VIP, saying you come to the back, grab what you
Saying?
want. From
VIP section.
so let me see which one I want. This jump.
And it feel cold in here.
And you don't got. Nah. And VIP. Listen, man, don't try this back home though.
Well, don't try this at home.
Not everybody
I ain't
got
gonna
VIP.
Hey, hold on, bro. Hey, not everybody can do this, man.
Hey,
Look, and we out this bed. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just like that. Not everybody can do that, bro. Don't try this at home. We ain't tell y'all.
This shit at home.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Hey, they looking like what? Look. They trying to beat the little rundown, man.
Look, there's more stuff back there, that's why.
Okay, no,
I was looking.
Trying to beat the little rundown.
Technically, yes.
Is it true that you feel something?
I'm too lit right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need a lit.
On the lips.
Is it true what?
Yeah, I could shoot.
Okay.
You do it. You did. You gotta understand.
Hey, bro,
Nah, you ain't do it. You ain't do it. I took it for the phone.
fuck you mean?
Yo.
Yeah.
That count.
The wall. You did that
But
shit.
I already stand up.
God,
Look.
you did
Lulu,
that shit.
show me how to do it.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, you know how to do
I
it?
don't know how to do it.
Damn, Lulu, you a gymnastic girl?
I don't know how to do it. You know how to do it, Mama?
You a gymnastic girl?
You try it.
Go ahead. We all gonna try.
Let me see what you
I like try. We're gonna see what she could do, man.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah. Lulu, go ahead.
I can't do it. I'll bust my ass for real.
Damn.
Come on.
Who turn it is? I think it's Lulu's
It's my
turn.
turn. Did you just one?
Yeah. So it's your turn.
Okay, Lulu, shoot it.
No, why do you keep doing it?
Shoot it there.
Why can't you
Shoot
do
it there.
it
Shoot it
now?
there. Shoot it there. No, please. Say true.
But
Ow.
My bad.
Dare?
Yeah.
I dare you. Oh, get ready, nigga. I'm on your ass. I dare you to tell me.
We outside, man. Just got to the beach, man. We outside, man. South Beach, man. Where y'all from?
Denver, Colorado, nigga.
Y'all boys shout yourself out.
Yeah, we smoked that.
Shout yourself out.
You feel me? I'm on Snapchat, heavy step of 5, you feel me?
You feel me? I mean, on the ground at Luxury Little D, you feel me?
Okay, bet. We lit though, man. We outside. Hold it right there, man.
Take a picture.
Light it.
right here. Light is better, right?
Right here, Choco.
I'm like, Dad, I don't know about none of this YouTube shit, so don't ask me.
That's that? Yeah. Alright, 200.
200 for a picture, crazy.
Face I'm playing.
I'm like,
Hey,
what?
he looking like, what the
I'm
fuck?
like, Dad, I don't know about that. Hey, what happened, man?
Alright, y'all boys.
Alright, yeah.
Hey. Oh yeah, y'all boys need some gas?
Yeah, y'all got some gas?
What the fuck is that behind her pants, y'all? What the fuck is that? What the hell? Outside on the jet skis again. This girl thinks she a pro. Oh, I'm trying to one hand this bitch. This girl thinks she a pro, man. Oh yeah, and she's standing up on the seat, y'all. Hold on. 0.5. It's hard for me driving and record. Your ass think you. What you trying to do, donut? Ass trying to do donuts. Hey man, I'm outside on the jet skis again. Like I said, man, I think it's day 3 or day 4, something like that on the jet skis again. You feel me? I'm about to make her get on my jet ski. I thought I heard the police. That ain't sliding. Oh yeah, she's sliding. Yeah, let me show y'all. Oh, they fell in the water. Yo, how you feel? Yo, put your phone. Hey, yo, get on from the back. Yeah, there you go. You know something? Yo, how the feel? That dumbass trying to do tricks, man. Thinking she a pro. You gotta connect the key back to it. She got the key. The key is on you. Look, the red on your hand. You. It's on your hand. Hold on, y'all.
Oh, wait.
You outside, ain't it? You outside on jet ski? Oh, man, huh? Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
let me see the.
Hey, how y'all feel? Oh yeah, she was doing the trick. I forgot.
Nah, she fell because she was trying to do tricks and shit.
I'm surprised you ain't fall too.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Nah, I can't swim.
If both of y'all would fell, oh my god, shit would be crazy. Spit this gum out, man.
Alright, hold on.
She's sliding. Oh shit, she's sliding this way.
I'm gonna get.
This girl standing up. Alright, I gotta hang on my phone tight.
You want me to take it?
Sure. Yeah.
Wait, you gotta put my phone in there.
She already good. Make sure you don't fall, man.
Alright.
Yeah, she's coming. Oh, I gotta take off. That's her? Oh! Hey, it was your first time riding too, right? That was your first time riding? I ain't gonna lie, you was riding like a pro.
Alright, but
Wait, the phone too big or something? I got too close up, man. One thing I'm not trying to do is wreck on the jet. This girl talking about she want to drive. I don't know about all that, man. You trying to make me fall, man. You trying to make me fall. Drive. So what? I could vlog like this too. Yeah, I could. Why you trying to hide? Yeah, that's you got glasses on. They can't see it. Real lady's vibing, man. She is man. She fell in the water. Huh? Oh, she's sliding. She's sliding. Yeah, that girl crazy, bro. She don't want everybody.
Bro, she almost hit the fucking
She almost hit who?
pontoon, bro.
What the? You gonna lie? I can't see them drive over. I'm like, damn, dog. They don't wet the. They wet the food. God damn.
She heard everybody screaming earlier.
Huh?
Everybody was screaming.
Everybody was screaming. How many times she did it?
Like, quiet, bro. I'm talking about swearing.
God damn, tripping, bro. What the? Oh. Forgot about that nasty ass shit. Felt it?
Vlogging.
You ain't stop vlogging. I ain't put you on the camera.
Yes, you did. You just zoomed into my legs, and that's not funny.
The what?
You just zoomed into my legs.
Now I was a recording when I did that.
Yes, you did.
This girl don't want everybody food. Let me show it. Let me show them.
Stop
Let
zooming.
me show y'all. You gotta show them, man.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm paying to get my shit fixed.
Who? Me? Personally? Damn. We gotta run across the street. Lulu, you heard me? We got to. Man, we done ran across the highway.
let me do it.
No, Cole, it
Let me take it out.
Cole,
Let me do it.
Yeah, you want me to do it? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold
No, Lulu, please.
I'm not finna do it. I'm just gonna hold this so like you don't feel it.
Sticky bird on her leg.
Ready?
Ow.
Go. You gotta do it though, for real, for real.
Ow! Ow! Go, ow, 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 ow. I did not get it out. Go, I can't.
Alright, let me pull it out. I'm gonna do it quick. Bro, this girl acting scary. I just gotta grab it. Wait.
Go, go, go. Lala, stop. Bro,
no.
we're wasting time. We gotta be there not.
Please.
What you gonna do?
Lala,
Leave her
stop.
Please.
there? Let me grab her this.
Hold on, let me sit down.
Here, let me do it.
There you go.